100 Seconds to Midnight is a collection that charts the history of climate change and environmentalism. It spans over 2,000 years of thought on weather and human impact on it, and it covers books, manuscripts, letters, and visual material that charts both our recording of data and scientific material, and also our emotional response to it. One of the personalities that I really loved getting to know in the collection is Alexander von Humboldt, who is one of the most influential and important figures in the history of environmentalism. He produced some really key works and was the first person to really conceive of the idea of human-induced climate change. He was really, one of the giants of his age, and Darwin, who, when he journeyed on the Beagle, took copies of Humboldt's books with him because they were just so influential at the time. One of the most beautiful representations of Humboldt's thought is this really large, beautifully engraved folding plate from his 1807 book, and it's really the first representation visually of his idea of a holistic view of nature, of the fact that everything is connected and that if you affect one thing, you affect the rest. The collection is also complemented by a very striking engraved portrait of Humboldt. It's been wonderful to learn about these people who, 100, 200 years ago have been looking at the same topics that we're still looking at and dealing with today. And it's been great to get a sense of their personalities and their real fear and anxieties about what humans have been doing to the environment.